This is Alex eating his first banana by himself.
So far, just squishing it, not really eating it yet.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think it works.
It's okay, just give him time. He's got to learn to put it in his mouth. For now, it's fun to watch. It's too slippery. It slips out of his finger. What did mommy put in your mouth? Very quickly, you know it.